Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we are going to take a look at how an internal forward of an allocation request can be done within the People Allocation app of KEBS. Once the resource manager navigates to the People Allocation app, he or she can select any allocation request for allocating a suitable resource. In case there is no suitable resource to be allocated within the particular department of a resource manager, he or she can internally forward the request to another department's resource manager for him or her to do the needful. This can be done by navigating to the Internal Forward tab, choose the division to which the request is to be forwarded, and click Forward Request. Once done, the resource manager for the particular department will have the forwarded request under his or her pending requests in their People Allocation app. Thank you for watching.